What's up and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Lauren, and today I am going to share with you 5 easy ways to make money with AI writing software. Before we jump in, I want to say that this video today is sponsored by the Freelancer's Playbook, an online course that helps you start a side hustle with freelance writing. It gives you templates and tutorials and a support group, everything you need to get started to create a side hustle from home. But let's go ahead and jump into why you're really here, 5 easy ways to make money with AI writing software. All right, number 1 is my most favorite way, and it is freelancing. This is by far my favorite way. 1, because I've made quite a bit of money using an AI software. You can freelance your writing work. So whether it's articles for blogs, you can use it to write ebooks, you can use it to write product descriptions, you can use it to write Facebook ads. The opportunities are literally endless, and you can provide these skills for other businesses that need it. And there are many free platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, just being a couple of the most popular ones that you can use to find jobs to fulfill and make side income by doing that and fulfilling those orders with your AI writing software. I've been able to make over 20 grand in just the past 6 months doing this on the side. So this is definitely my number 1 and my most favorite way, easy way to make money with AI writing software. The next one that I want to mention is writing and selling ebooks. So I mentioned in the first one, you can write ebooks for other businesses, but you can also write ebooks or books that you can actually publish for yourself as well and become an author. So you can do this and either sell on Amazon KDP. This is also something that I've been able to do and create thousands and thousands of orders for books that I've written with AI software. And it's just a great way to get something done really quickly, but you also know that it's quality if you're using a good AI writing software. If you want any information about the ones that I recommend, I'm going to put that in the description below, and you can check those out. So again, really quick and easy process with any AI writing software. This is a great option if you want to make kind of passive income. It is definitely a longer term play than just freelancing your work. I'd say freelancing your work, which was the number 1 way, is definitely the quickest way that I've found to use an AI writing software to make some extra cash on the side. The number 3 way that I have on our list today is blogging. So if you are an aspiring blogger, maybe you already have your own blog and you're looking for a way to kind of ramp up your content and get more and more content on your blog, AI is a wonderful resource to do this with, because again, it just makes everything really quick and really easy, and you can pump out content like crazy. I've only been using AI writing softwares for just about 6 months, and I've got my process like down to a T, so I can write 1,000, 1,500 word blog posts in a matter of like 20 minutes now. It's absolutely insane. It would have taken me hours to do that in the past. I don't have any previous experience doing it, but with AI writing softwares, it makes it so much easier. Another option that you can do with this is guest posting or guest blogging. So you can write blog posts and you can reach out to other people who have blogs and offer to write for their blog, and it publishes as you as the author. So that's a good way to get your name out there as either a freelance writer, or a way, if they allow you to, obviously, a way to get traffic to your own blog. You can kind of link them back to your blog. But again, both of these ways are great. Again, blogging, if you have your own blog, will definitely take a little bit more time, but this AI writing software is a great way to get some content rolling, and it makes me be way more consistent because, again, way quicker and way easier to do than without an AI writing software. Okay, and number 4 is selling courses. So another amazing way to make money with an AI writing software is by creating and selling courses. So you can create courses, tutorial videos, anything that you'd like with AI writing software that actually write a script for you and write the content for you. And you can create a course from this content teaching someone a skill or a step-by-step way to do something, or a how-to on how to do something. And you can sell this either mini course or course to an audience if you already have it, or you can even go onto free platforms like Skillshare and Udemy, and there's countless others out there as well, but you can sell your courses on these platforms. So I would think about something that maybe you have some knowledge in, maybe you're passionate about something, whether it's a hobby or something of the sort, and you can create a course around it. Maybe it's a skill, right? Maybe it's a mindset, whatever it is, you can create a course around it and sell it to other people who it would help. And then the fifth way that I want to mention is social media marketing. This is kind of similar to freelancing, but you can use AI writing softwares to, again, create Facebook posts. You can use it to create Facebook ads and ad copy. You can use it to create pretty much any piece of social media content, captions, that you can think of. And you can then outsource this job. So say you reach out to someone who's got a little bit of an audience or a larger audience and offer your skills to them to either manage their social media accounts. Maybe they have a Facebook group that they need help in. They just need someone to get in there and engage and post content, ask questions, things like that. AI writing will come up with not only the ideas of what to post, but it'll actually write for you the posts that you're going to post on social media. So this is another way to outsource your services or your skills and get paid from it, but use AI writing software on the back end to do so. So those are my 5 really quick, really easy, and simple ways to start making money with AI writing software. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want to check out the sponsor of this video, the Freelancer's Playbook that helps you start your side hustle with freelance writing, you can check it out in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.